Hey babes, my name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. Happy New Year's, guys. This is actually my second video of the year. If you did not know, I am now uploading 2 videos a week. I'm uploading my usual Tuesday videos where I come at you guys, share with you guys my favorite lash items, how to lash, business tips and tricks, you know, the usual. And then Friday uploads. If you missed last week's upload, go check it out. It was my last lashing day, of course, of 2020. I'll have it linked up here for you guys. But my Friday videos are going to be a little bit more personal. They're going to be more vlog style, maybe me bringing you guys along with me to the gym, maybe a skincare routine, makeup routine. You guys are going to see more of my family on there, and just overall a little bit more personal. So you guys clicked today's video because you guys want to know all about policies. When I started my lashing career, my lashing journey, I did get hired at a lash lounge. So they already had the policies set up, so I really didn't have to think much of it. When I moved from Vegas to Memphis, I'll have a video up here about my lash journey and stuff like that if you are new here and you do not know about me. I moved here and I started working at another lash lounge with this like nasty lash artist that was like a bad boss. Didn't have any policies, didn't have any like, she was just overall nasty. I also have a video on that. If you want to see it, I'll link it up here for you as well. So when I decided I did not want to work with her anymore, I wanted to venture out. I never thought I could open my own business, but I did, and I learned quickly I needed policies and I needed to enforce them, because if you're feeling burnt out, if you do have your own studio and you feel like your clients are stepping on your toes and you have policies but you're not enforcing them and they're not following them, this video is just for you. First and foremost, you want to make sure you have the policies. So what do you want your business to look like? For me, I want to have a set schedule. I want to be able to come in at a certain time and leave at a certain time, and there's no ifs, ands, or buts. I do have 2 kids at home and my husband, and I have my YouTube channel that I have to set a schedule and stick to it. So first policy is, hello, I'm only lashing Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, 9:30 to 6 p.m. That's it. That does not mean someone's coming at my door at 6 p.m. to get lashes. If they're coming for a touch-up and it is an hour and a half, they're coming at 4:30. That's the latest they could come in. Oh, you work that day and you come out till 5, you want to come at 5:30. Sorry, you can't. Like, that is my policy. I am not going to be lashing after hours. If you are someone that's single and you're like wanting to hustle really hard and you want to work all these hours, or I don't discriminate, if you are a mom and you still want to work all these hours, that's fine. You can set that up and you can run your business however you want. In here on my channel, I don't discriminate. I'm not telling you this is exactly how you have to run your lash business, because it's not. Like, the great thing about being an entrepreneur and being your own boss and having your own studio is you can run it however you want. Another thing that I have on my policies is rescheduling, cancellation, no-shows. So with everything I'm letting you guys know about, it's in multiple different areas that my client sees it. It's not hidden in my website. I actually text this to my guest. I have it on my website, like I said, on my booking site, and when they come in for their full set, I go over the consent form vocally with them and let them know everything. So rescheduling, my clients can reschedule and cancel their appointment 24 hours in advance. Anything after that, they are going to have to pay their appointment price full. Some people like to do 20%, 50%, whatever. I do the full appointment. If you ever have those one-off clients that are trying to step on your toes and like they don't respect your time and say, why do I have to pay if I'm not getting lashes? then you could go ahead and fire that client or do whatever you want. Again, this is your business. Do whatever you want. But if someone were to, let's say that she calls me, why do I have to pay if I'm not getting lashes? I'll refer back and say, hey, you know, you did sign in on my consent form, and I did vocally let you know that you can't cancel same day. Oh, I know, but I forgot. Again, you did get a text reminder a couple days ago, also an email reminder. Unfortunately, there's nothing I could do. Oh, well, yeah, I'm not gonna pay for that. Okay, that's fine. I'll cancel your appointment. Have a good day. Click. And then from there on, they are blacklisted. They can't come back into my studio. On your booking system, there should be a no place, and if you don't have that on your system, check out my consent form video. I have a video where I show you guys how I keep notes. I'll make a new note for that client for that day and do a big X and say like no show, no canceled, and kind of write down in the notes like what we talked about. So if they ever try to book again, and like let's say they have a new number and I get their info and I go into the consent form and I'm like, oh, this lady 5 months ago did this to me, I'm not going to accept them. I know it might be a little harsh, but I just don't want to do that. I don't want that to ever happen again in my studio. And again, you run your business how you want, but I'm not doing that. With no-shows, same thing. If they no-show and they do not pay for that appointment, they are getting blacklisted. So they have 24 hours. I do, as a courtesy, remind them, but anything else than that, they are getting blacklisted. Another policy I have is with Touchups. I require my guests to come in 2 to 3 weeks from their last appointment. Anything after 3 weeks is considered a full set. Not necessarily they don't have no lashes left at 4 weeks, but when they come in at 4 weeks, I notice that they have a lot more lashes super grown out. So those lashes, I can't just leave on there. They're gonna start twisting, possibly damaging that natural lash. So I have to remove it, and that takes time. I want to be able to style my guest again, get their lashes nice and full, and with a touch-up time in 4 weeks, I cannot do that. If you can, go ahead, honey. But with me, I max it out at 3 weeks touch-ups only. Before, I used to have my booking system open where my guests could go ahead and book their appointments. It was being a little bit more time consuming because I had to go in and make sure they weren't booking within 5 weeks, like from their last appointment. So now I do book my clients every single time they're here. Once they check out, I do book their next appointment. Some guests only like booking 1 appointment in advance. Some like reoccurring appointments where it's the same day, same time, every 2 or every 3 weeks. Some guests like to just book out 3 appointments in advance, but different days, different times. So that's how I have it set up now, just so I can know, like, it's easier for both of us, so they can have, again, that text reminding them, okay, you booking out in 2 weeks. So if anything happens, let me know, because they already know that they can cancel, but they can't cancel the same day. This policy, I don't enforce that much, and I'll let you know why, but I still have it on my website, my booking system, on the consent form, and I do text it to my guests as well, is please aim to arrive 5 to 10 minutes before your scheduled appointment. Parking, finding my suite takes a bit of time. Again, I will show you guys what I text my guest, like a rough draft. I'll also have it in the description box below. I think that's where I'm going to have it for you guys, where you can copy and paste it into your notes app on your phone. And whenever you have like a full set, you can text it to your guest and just switch it up around to fit your policies. Come in with clean lashes. If you arrive after your scheduled time, it may not be possible to extend the time available for your book service. So the reason why I'm not super duper like, oh, if you're 5 minutes late, your appointment is getting canceled, is because, again, I'm here by myself. I can move a guest up, maybe, like I could text my guest and be like, hey, can you come in earlier and just cancel that appointment if I am just like, if you want to enforce your policy like this. But personally, I just take that time to do other things in the studio, clean, deep clean, do random things here, and let them arrive 30-40 minutes late. But then if I see that they need more lashes, they might need to book an appointment next week, or if they're usually 3-week appointments, they're gonna have to book within 2 weeks the next time, because again, for rescheduling, canceling, no showing, they're gonna have to pay for that service. So some guests will be like, oh my god, I am running late, I was stuck at work, whatever, can I make it to my appointment? I'm gonna be 30 minutes late, I'm gonna be an hour late, but I still want something, you know, I'm gonna have to pay for my appointment. Can I show up? I'm like, yeah, that's fine. Like, they're still gonna have to pay the full price. I'm not gonna extend the time. I'm not gonna text my guest after that appointment and be like, hey, my guest is running late, can you come in an hour later? I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna inconvenience my next guest. But if that guest, that's still her time. Like, I'm letting them know an hour and a half is yours. This is your time. So if you want to show up late, do it. But you're not going to get the full lashes, you know, and they kind of already know. So that's what I'm saying. You run your business how you want. And this is a policy that I don't enforce that much. And my guests know. Some of them do arrive 5-10 minutes late. And I'm like, hey, your lashes are not looking as full as they should. Next time, make sure you're outside my door, so when I open it, you're ready to come inside with clean lashes. I hope you guys got a little bit of some ideas. If you guys don't have some policies set up, right now is the perfect time to start setting up your policies and get them under control, narrow down on how you want your business to look for 2021, and just start implementing them. If you guys have any policies that you guys have in your studio that maybe I didn't talk about today, let me know down in the description box. I would love to know. I do want to start making lives on Wednesdays over on Instagram, so we can kind of like talk back and forth like in real time. Let me know, because that's something I'm very interested in. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to share this video with a lash friend. Let's share the lash love. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also quickly subscribe to my channel. If you click my face, you're subscribed to my channel, and go watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. I love you. Bye.